Hi everyone, my name is Susan Guerrera and this is my tutorial on Canva. Canva is an excellent resource for both teachers and students. Teachers can use it for lesson planning and different class activities, as well as they can also use it to create activities digitally for students. So you can go up here and log in through either Facebook or Google, or it also gives you an option to log in through an email account. I am going to log in with Facebook today. And as you can see, this is the page that it takes you to when you immediately log in. And the website has different types of templates that you can choose depending on what the activity is. You can also create your own design, which is really cool. So there's tons of different categories, such as letterhead, postcards, flyers. They also have different social media posts, which are really cool for a lesson that a teacher can utilize, where their students create their own social media posts depending on whatever the lesson content is. You can save your documents on here. There's also blogging and ebooks. If it's a business class, there's also different marketing materials students can learn how to make, which is awesome for real-world applicability. It helps them become more marketable when they are out looking for a job or even in their college classes. So there's also some different templates that teachers and students can use. So as you can see, the possibilities are endless with Canva, and pretty much they have everything that you could ask for. So I strongly recommend this platform for both students and teachers. Thank you.